What is up, YouTube? So, I'm done. I'm sure there is going to be some things that I want to tweak later on or add later on. But I can honestly say, as far as I can think right now, I'm done. All the moldings got put on. It's looking a lot nicer. I added a latch finally to it. And check out the door handle. What do you think? I actually had some plastic Walmart trucks floating around, and I was like, this is perfect to leave outside. And I did try a few configurations with some wheels on it, but did not feel right, so I just threw some nuts to take up space. May take it down later, may leave it up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But today is a trick battle. But before we get into that, I don't think you've ever actually seen like the decorations I put around the top in the skate park. So let's jump in there and show some of that off. You may have seen some of this stuff in the background, guys, but it's kind of hard to see because you can see the lights kind of blow out the camera. But like, I have a piece of a John Hill board here, a Z Flex board here, a blackout board here, a blind board here. Over the years, I have thrown away so many boards or used them for other things that my collection dwindled quite a bit. And now that I have a place where having 100 broken boards would be awesome, I don't happen to have that supply. So I'm sure I'm going to collect other stuff over the years. Now up here above the fan, that is a Dills board. That is the first ever board I ever had. It's a kosher Dills board. Probably never heard of it, neither did I. I picked it up at Warped Tour a long time ago. Next we got the Brian Ames beard board, which I ended up cracking and breaking in half, but it still stayed like nice and pristine. This is the most recent board I was just skating, and the graphic was so ground off that it just made sense to throw the grip tape out. Then I've had a skim board for years, but I haven't skimboarded in years, so made sense to throw that up there. I'm like enjoying building this collection again. On this wall, the other wall, I would like to fill out with antique boards, but my collection, I donated like a fair amount of them to the local skate park back in college. So I only have a 1950s and a 1980s board, but I'd like to fill this whole wall with antique stuff. So hopefully that comes soon. I'm also not a huge fan of stickers. I love stickers. I love everything about stickers. I just don't like putting them on things, and that's a personal thing. But I have started to fill out specifically this door. So I only have 5 of them right now, but I am stoked to build all this stuff out. I hope you guys are ready. We're about to jump into a trick battle, something that kind of blows my mind, which is going to be on this because I've been having too much fun on this. Second I got this built and I started skating flat in here, I was able to do backside 180s like pretty well, which I've never been able to do. So in the last video, I did back 50-50 slappy shove out. I would like to do back 50-50 slappy back 180 out, which would be mind-blowing for me. That is something that has never even been on my radar to do, but let's get right into some flat ground tricks and see how well we can get some back 180s. Alright guys, so second session, same day. Took me about 1 hour and 45 minutes and probably about 500 tries. Now I did stick about 100 of them, which is a good number to stick, but you do get discouraged after you just keep sticking over and over and over again and not landing one. So I landed about 4 today. Only 2 were half decent and 1 was like the smoothest thing ever. That rolled away felt amazing. I felt so good. I ended up reopening up my palm because the 2 falls where I slid out, I've actually never gone up onto the deck fully, let alone do it twice in a row, so that was annoying. this trick really beat the crap out of me. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you have any questions, drop them below. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Have a great day and keep pushing forward. I'm gonna go film a new old school Sunday, inspired by a trick I saw the other day. So stay tuned for that. Have a great day, guys.